A rapid intervention can be improvised, true or false?
Not at all true. It can't be true.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Beyond the Cable IMR Uncovered, our conversation on IMR. Gabriele, what are we going to talk about now?
Today we focus with our expert about preventive maintenance. So everything that you can plan periodically to take care of the condition of the asset.
Roberto, pick a card.
Okay, I would choose the first one, this one.
Okay, let's see. Downtime starts long before the shutdown. How can you comment on that?
In our installation department, we have developed 3D procedure for the training because we must have trained jointer to work in our installation department, and they are also followed by an application that they have to use on site to verify the installation phases.
Moreover, Roberto, don't forget about the spare parts, which must be always ready for deployment and well maintained. This is very important.
This is for sure.
Readiness is a pillar of an aim. In fact, we really need to have the proper person trained and skilled to all the technology and the proper equipment and spare parts available. So also storage services is what we try to help our customer with.
That was a great answer. Thank you for that. Now, second, Gabriele, choose a card.
So I would choose the first one.
Okay. The best intervention is the one that is not needed.
Exactly. Periodical intervention and periodical survey that you can plan ahead and you can do to check the condition of the asset are really vital to help our customer to stay one step ahead. Also, our diagnostic teams have a lot of test set for high voltage services.
Yes, we have a test set in our installation organization used to control the life cycle of the cable during the operational period.
So you see, Lumna, we discover more about IMR and how preventive maintenance is key and fundamental for the security of our assets.
Ale, you can choose.
That one, please.
Okay. A missing spare part can change everything.
Having the spare parts always ready to be deployed, always ready to be installed, always ready to be sent to the customer or to the site when needed, it's crucial for the successful repair. In this case, it's important to highlight that some of the components might have a shelf life, and we have to grant that those spare parts are always fast and ready to be installed or to be supplied to our customer.
We are replacing the normal purchase when every part expires with the waiting time of the lead time with a safety stock managed by us on behalf of our client.
That's brilliant.
Oh, here we are again. No panic. I know it's red, I know it's shiny, but don't panic. You'll simply have to answer a question. So, a rapid intervention can be improvised, true or false?
Not at all true. It can't be true. We always have to work in advance to make sure that in case anything happens, we are ready, we are fast, and we know what to do.
Also in this episode, we understood the importance of IMR and we specifically focused on the periodical maintenance, the survey, the inspection. All the services that are enabling our clients to be one step ahead of any occurrence.
Thank you for the insights. That has, let's say, widened my vision a bit about the IMR. What's next, Gabriele?
The last episode will be very critical. We will talk about rapid intervention and our ready-to-act solutions. Stay focused.